And there is the view from Carter Mountain here on this Monday afternoon, a day of improving conditions, or an afternoon of improving conditions after the morning clouds, rain, and some isolated storms that developed along the James River. That activity is now gone. I want to quickly just mention that 27 years ago on this date, June 27th, 1995, one of the worst flash flooding events since Hurricane Camille impacted the county of Madison, and it was quite devastating. Again, you had debris flows off the Blue Ridge Mountains. In a 16-hour period, as much as 30 inches of rain fell, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, and quite devastating. Many roads were wiped out for quite a time, and again, that was 27 years ago on this date, with persistent repeat thunderstorms just flooding over the higher terrain of the mountains. Let's take a look at current numbers at the airport in Earlysville, checking in at 82 degrees, northerly winds, and that's going to begin to usher in the drier air. Dew points are in the lower 60s. These numbers will continue to fall off, and we're going to get a break from the summer muggies for a couple of days. 80 currently at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, a north-northwesterly wind at 9. Already starting to see the humidity lower. Those dew points now in the 50s. Some other readings right now, we've got 80 in Madison, 78 in Louisa, 79 in Palmyra, 78 there in Waynesboro, and 80 both in Harrisonburg and Stanton. Not much left from the showers and thunderstorms from earlier. Right now we still have some lingering showers right across southern sections of Buckingham County. This will kind of pass down toward Cumberland and Prince Edward County. But again, the showers and some thunderstorms that we saw earlier now are basically over Hampton roads, and some of those have been some heavy rainers. There was some flash flooding in the Richmond metro area this afternoon with some of the storms. More comfortable by morning. Temperatures will be down in the 50s for many locations, and you'll certainly notice later tonight and even tomorrow that break in the humidity. Temperatures will be pleasant tomorrow, a little bit below average, upper 70s to low 80s across much of the region. So a couple of nice days. Again, lower humidity, low to mid 80s here on Wednesday. We'll make a run near 90 here on Thursday, and turning certainly more hot and humid as we get into Friday and the start of the Independence holiday weekend. And that's going to be there also the return of those showers and thunderstorms. So a front will continue to slide east here tonight. It'll kind of get bogged down across the Carolinas as high pressure builds down across the Great Lakes. That ushers us some drier air, and it will be around for the next couple of days to enjoy. As we take a look at, again, the bigger picture, it'll be pretty quiet for a couple of days, and we'll certainly welcome the break in the humidity levels. Temperatures, again, upstream are in the upper 70s and lower 80s, and that's the air mass that'll be with us over the next several days. Meanwhile, out in the eastern tropical Atlantic, we have a pretty robust tropical wave here that could become better organized into a depression or storm here within the next 48 hours. Another one behind that as well. So the tropics are a little bit busy. Temperatures in the morning will start in the comfortable 50s. Noticeable lower humidity tomorrow, upper 70s and lower 80s. We'll start in the 50s to around 60 here Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon most of us will top out in the low and mid 80s. So some nice days ahead. Temperatures tonight then in the 50s and are mostly clear skies. Again, the humidity levels continue to drop off. More comfortable through Wednesday, nearing 90 here on Thursday, but the humidity and the heat really build here as we go into Friday and Saturday. The Independence holiday weekend right now, Steve, will feature the return of those scattered showers and storms, especially during the afternoon and evening hours. That takes us into next Monday, Independence Day.
All right, Eric, thank you.